Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
In Gardena, California, these two bikers were riding together. There was a lot of traffic ahead, so they decided to filter through the lanes. But little did they know they just passed a cop.
Push it?
No, get off my bike.
Sorry.
Trans in the hood.
In the hood?
Oh, yeah. Take off your helmet, man. Take off your helmet and your gloves.
Got you.
Why are you doing wheelies?
What was that?
Why are you doing wheelies?
I'm just checking back up, bro.
The biker doesn't have footage of those activities, so I can't confirm whether he was doing them or not.
Any guns or anything, man?
Just about knife. I'm a security guard at King Harbor.
Do you have any guns on you?
No. I'll have
Spread your feet.
the pulse taser.
Spread your feet.
Backpack.
Will you check your pocket? Yes, sir. Make sure his camera's on.
The cops took the bikers in, they were in jail for the whole day, and their bikes were impounded for 30 days. In Marseille, France. On the France highway, there are a lot of cameras. The rider in front gets a camera warning on his app. He brakes from 130 to 110 kilometers per hour. Unfortunately, the rider following behind isn't paying as close attention as he should be. He checks his mirror, but then he completely misses the fact that the rider in front is braking. You can see from the skid marks that other cars have also slammed on their brakes, all to avoid potentially getting fined. The rider was uninjured and able to walk away from the crash, but he learned his lesson. Always keep your focus on the rider in front. In Denali, Alaska, a group of friends set out on their snowbikes, exploring the Alaskan wilderness. But on that day, something unexpected happened. The adventure quickly turned into an emergency when one of them fell through the ice and into the flowing river.
Oh,
Without hesitation, his friend sprang into action. In situations like this, every second counts.
Daniel, need help down here. Daniel, you all good? Fuck, he's underneath it. Hold on, buddy. I can't get it up. I need some help. Come on, people. Help! Pull on the sled. I'm not.
Just grab him. Grab his arm and anything. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Grab his other arm.
Good, grab him. Oh. Come on, guys. You gotta get him warm. Come get it. Pull me up. Get him out of that water. Get my sled. Don't let it drown.
Their friend was pulled out of the river, and now it was time to get the snowmobile out of the water.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The incident occurred at the end of winter, a particularly dangerous time due to melting ice, which makes the frozen rivers increasingly fragile and unstable.
1, 2, 3. 3. Holy fuck. Holy yeah.
In the end, both their friend and the snowmobile were saved.
Guys.
You have to check out the channel of Top Cat AK. He creates amazing moto content in Alaska. Show some love and support on his channel. A handicapped man on his adaptive e-bike came across a couple while riding in the woods.
Nice job.
Seriously, dude, you're not supposed to have e-bikes on this thing.
This is a handicap piece of equipment.
And
what?
show me the rules saying that you're allowed to do this.
You're serious? Who are you?
Come on, buddy. You're breaking the rules at the park.
It's a handicap piece of equipment. I can't walk.
You should have led with that.
He did lead with that.
I said it. Is this your husband? Class act, brother. You're a class act.
You guys are a class act. You know the rules.
Class act.
They allow you to be there, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Everyone does.
Unbelievable. This man is complaining about a person with a disability using an adaptive e-bike specifically designed to help them enjoy nature. He should stay home for life and spare other handicapped individuals such disrespect.
Wow. Class act.
A rider from Turkey caught a Tankslapper at 220 kilometers per hour. Even though the rider slid a long distance, he was uninjured thanks to his protective gear. His bike, on the other hand, was totaled, and he had to buy a new one. A biker was riding on his Surron, but he got pulled over for not having a license plate.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, but it's still an e-bike. And it's still,
not.
Yeah, it is.
Bicycle has pedals.
You ride a motorcycle, you know it's not a motorcycle.
My partner, here, I'll explain what I'm going to do, okay?
You can't just take my bike without any explanation.
I tried to explain it to you, you interrupted me several times.
I've asked you several times to explain it. Why is this bike being taken right now?
Explain it to you in a minute, okay?
No, why is it being taken right now?
Are you driving an unregistered motorcycle, off-highway vehicle on the roadway?
Did you look up the classifications?
That's a motorcycle, I'm telling you.
No, it's not. You didn't look up the classifications, so you're illegally taking my bike. You're just being a bully, man. And what, I have to walk home. I was just working, making shekels for the day, and you've sent me back probably a solid 2 weeks.
This is why we at CrashBanditoNL are now selling Surrons ourselves, fully registered and road legal for the European Union and the UK. With 6 kilowatts of electric peak power, a 75 kilometers cruising range, and a top speed of 75 kilometers per hour, the Surron Lite BX represents premium technology for e-bike. Designed to adapt to harsh riding conditions worldwide, it offers not just power, but also safety and reliability on every ride. Flip the switch to sport mode and unleash its full capabilities. Get your own Surron now on our website CrashBandito.com and get €250 discount with our discount code. We will ship our Surrons within 1 to 2 days, and within the European Union they will arrive within 1 to 5 days. This biker was lane splitting, but then he makes a crucial mistake.
Não sei o que aconteceu ali na frente. Desculpa.
He looks behind him at the wrong moment. Changing lanes while lane splitting is not a good idea. At this speed, there's no time to check behind you.
Aconteceu ali na frente. Desculpa.
Luckily, the biker only had minor injuries. To prevent even those, please wear protective gear. It's a worthwhile investment for your health. This group of riders was chilling on the side of the street, when suddenly, a car drove onto a biker's foot.
You hit my foot! You hit my foot, man! What's that?
In North Carolina, on the tail of the dragon, a father and son took a ride together. But on that day, something unexpected will occur.
Oh, well, we caught up to... Oh, those are the people that didn't pull over earlier.
In front of them are some bikers and a Corvette, but they eventually passed them.
Oh, no, yeah, the people right here. I'm going around.
The Corvette pulled over to let the bikers pass freely. The riders approach a corner when suddenly...
Oh, oh!
The biker went through the corner, giving too much input. He should have slowed down as he approached the corner.
Oh,
The father and son stopped to check on their fellow rider.
oh, he fell. He crashed. I'm okay. I didn't crash. Okay. You okay? Okay. Yeah, here, my dad will be here right in a second if you want to wait a second. Okay. No, I can push it up there for you. I want to make sure you're okay. Yeah, he seems like he's okay.
This clip is a prime example of why you should always ride together. In the streets of Japan, these bikers were riding smoothly until they reached an intersection. The black SUV cut the biker off, causing a collision. The bike was incredibly heavy, so he needed some help to get it off the car. The cops came and handled the rest of the situation. In the end, the biker was able to continue his way on his bike. A biker from India was riding with his friend, but his friend decided to ride recklessly. But riding recklessly is a recipe for disaster. The collision resulted in damage to the vehicle. While everyone was distracted by the accident, the rider tried to flee away, but the bystanders were alert and were able to prevent the rider from leaving the scene. It's important to follow traffic laws and ride defensively to avoid such incidents. This biker on his morning school commute encounters an unexpected twist which is going to change his day completely. The biker got cut off by the SUV. Luckily, the biker is okay and had no injuries. In Sterling, Virginia, this biker did something, which we don't name, but he didn't realize that a cop was right behind him and caught him in the act. But rather than stopping, the biker made a rude gesture at the cop and rode away. The chase continues for several miles. Then the biker passed some cars. But then suddenly, a black SUV, unaware of the chaos behind it, makes a left turn, sending the biker tumbling. The biker is okay. He was more scared of getting caught by the police.
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Hey, you're not supposed to pass this way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
We need to call police.
No, we're good. We're good.
What are you?
No, but I have them.
Here, get my number. Get my number. I'll pay everything.
No, that's not the point. Because right now, you hit my vehicle.
I know, but please, I will pay everything.
No, that's not the point.
I'll give you the money right now.
Okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I need to go now.
No, please don't. Please don't. Please.
No,
Please don't.
I have
Please,
to follow
please,
the law.
please don't. Please.
You are the witness.
Please don't. Please. Please don't. Please. Please.
No.
I'm asking you, God forbid, please don't.
No. You will.
No way. Please don't. Please don't.
Several years later, the biker made a reaction video, admitting he was young and foolish, but had learned from his mistake. Check the link in the description to see the video on his channel. Thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.